Downloading data from Telegram can help you keep a backup of your messages, media, and other important information. Follow these steps to download your data from Telegram. Step 1. Open Telegram settings. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Navigate to the settings by tapping on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, then select Settings. Step 2. Access privacy and security. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Privacy and Security option. Tap on it to access various privacy settings related to your account. Step 3. Request data export. Look for the Export Telegram data option within the Privacy and Security section. Tap on it to initiate the data export process. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone. Step 4. Choose data types. Once you have access to the export settings, you will see various options for the types of data you can download, such as messages, photos, videos, and files. Select the types of data you wish to include in your download. Step 5. Download the data. After selecting the data types, confirm your choices and start the export process. Telegram will prepare your data, which may take some time depending on the amount of information. Once ready, you will receive a link or notification to download your data. By following these steps, you can successfully download your data from Telegram. Remember to keep your downloaded data secure and private.